Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering about withdrawing USDT from Binance, especially with all the updates coming in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a go-to for quick and secure transactions. Today, we're diving into how long this process actually takes, so you can plan your moves like a pro. First things first, let's walk through the steps. Log into your Binance account and head to the Wallet section. Select USDT from your assets, then click on Withdraw. You'll need to choose a withdrawal network. Options like Tron, Ethereum, or BNB Smart Chain can affect the speed. Enter the recipient's wallet address, specify the amount, and double-check everything before hitting Confirm. Binance usually processes withdrawals swiftly, often within a few minutes, but the total time depends on the blockchain. So, how long are we talking? For most networks, you can expect withdrawals to complete in about 10 to 30 minutes. If you're using Tron, it's typically the fastest, wrapping up in under 10 minutes due to its efficiency. Ethereum might take 15 to 60 minutes, especially if the network is congested. By 2025, with advancements like Ethereum's upgrades, we could see even quicker times, maybe down to just a few minutes for most transactions. However, factors like your account's KYC verification status, any security holds, or high network traffic can add delays, so always keep that in mind. To speed things up, make sure your account is fully verified and avoid peak hours for withdrawals. Remember, crypto is volatile, so double-check your wallet addresses to prevent any mishaps. In summary, withdrawing USDT from Binance in 2025 should take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on the variables we discussed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.